So as you can see, I'm doing a Vlogmas this year, and I don't know how I'm starting off, but I don't know. I'm trying to get the hang of this whole vlogging and share a little bit more. So I'm just giving you clips in here and there as I start getting more comfortable. So I know it's not exciting or entertaining. I'm just getting my feet wet, I guess you can say. So I also realized that my house is extremely noisy, meaning there's always either movies playing in the background or music playing in the background. So I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog, but I'm gonna try. I have a few things planned out and see how it goes. But I shared a little bit about what I did today, like usually Saturdays I do some cleaning, tidying up a bit. Today I decided to do laundry, which I normally do Sundays, but I decided to do them today. Yeah, so I guess I'm just going to upload this, and again, it's not gonna be exciting. There's nothing really, there wasn't much going on, but hopefully as the days go by and I get the hang of this, it'll be a little bit more entertaining or exciting, and I'll try to bring you guys along when I go out, which I really don't go out much, but yeah, so I really hope that you enjoyed my first attempt to Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys next time.
Turn up, let's go.